Hello traders, thanks for watching this trading tutorial. In this video we'll talk about the confluence area and I will show you how to use it in Forex trading. But first of all, please read the risk disclaimer. It's important for you to understand the risks before trading on the financial markets, on Forex, on CFDs. Please email support if you have maybe more questions. And don't forget that if you want to become a VIP member, to have access to more tutorials, to my trades, to copy my trades, to follow my trades, my trade management, or to get more VIP content, you should access the link posted right below this video, and you can use this code 21OFF to get a 21% discount. Thank you guys. So let's talk about the confluence area. So maybe you are wondering what the confluence area is. So first of all, maybe if we have something like this. Actually, the confluence area, it's the intersection between or of two maybe resistance levels. Yeah, maybe something like this, or support levels. And let's say if the price is here, something like this. So if the price maybe moves sideways and something like this, a valid breakdown through a confluence area. Yeah, so the intersection between two support levels or two resistance levels, uptrend line with static support, static resistance, or a downtrend line with static support or something. So the intersection of two obstacles represents a confluence area. So a valid breakdown, a valid breakout through a confluence area could signal strong movement. Yeah, so something like this, if we'll have something like this, a sideways movement, maybe let's say downtrend or something, and a valid breakout through a confluence area, through this confluence area, could signal sharp downside movement, right? And you should also know that when the price makes only a false breakdown through a confluence area, maybe to print something like a pin bar, false breakdown with great separation through a confluence area, then the price will move in the opposite direction. Yeah, so you can use this confluence area in trading. Let's maybe take another example, maybe something like this, like a downtrend line, also maybe I don't know, a static resistance. And if the price is here and something like this, maybe a valid breakout through this confluence area here, at the intersection represented by the intersection between the downtrend line with this static resistance. A valid breakout through a confluence area could signal potential maybe growth here. And don't forget that false breakout, only test, retest, could signal that the price will move in the opposite direction. Right, so you can use yeah, and you can use all kind of tools, maybe I don't know, maybe pitchfork, Fibonacci retracement, or any other tools, trend lines, static support, static resistance, trying to identify maybe confluence areas, right? And let's take an example here on gold right now. Let's because we talked about this confluence area in my previous maybe live webinars. So here we had maybe something like a downtrend, maybe downtrend line, a minor downtrend line here, and also let's take a look. Maybe we can use also something like an ascending pitchfork here. Please take a look here, confluence area here, something like a retest of the medium line of this maybe of this ascending pitchfork's medium line. Here we had a confluence area rejection, downside movement. But first of all, personally I want to talk about something like this here. So one moment, because I will draw something like this. Okay, so we have something like this, a downtrend line, an uptrend line, right? And here we had a swing higher, a leg higher. I will also maybe measure this swing higher here, and you can see here also that and also you can use all these maybe as confluence areas, right? The intersection between the uptrend line with the Fibonacci retracement levels, yeah, and Also, here the price has decreased a little. It has found support right below the 50% retracement level. So it has failed here to stabilize below this former low, signaling potential growth. And here we had something like a confluence area. I've told you the intersection between maybe two resistance levels. And here this we had something like an aggressive breakout through this confluence area. So aggressive breakout. The price also registered a valid breakout. One moment, a valid breakout here above 1813.89. Breakout, test, retest of this level before jumping higher, before moving upwards. So you can see that an aggressive breakout, valid breakout also here, an aggressive breakout through this confluence area signaled an upside continuation here if we'll talk about gold, right? And let's take maybe another example here. So you can use also maybe pitchfork. I've told you maybe with Fibonacci or something, maybe to trying to identify maybe confluence areas. And maybe let's take a look here. This was a confluence area here, medium line with the 50% retracement level or something, right? And also, one moment, maybe we can do something like this to draw Fibonacci retracement here, right? Something like this. And here we had something like a confluence area and the intersection between the 50% retracement level with the medium line. Here we had the confluence area here as well, 78.6, and the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. You can see, I've told you, if the price will make only a false breakout, maybe with great separation or rejection from a confluence area, will signal that the price will move in the opposite direction. Okay, so you can use these confluence areas in trading, guys, and you can use these tools, Fibonacci, pitchfork. You can use also uptrend lines, trend lines, static support, static resistance levels to identify confluence areas, right? And a valid breakout through a confluence area will signal a strong movement in that direction, in the breakout direction, and a false breakout through a confluence area or rejection will signal that the price will move in the opposite direction. Yeah, let's take a look if we'll also draw here a descending pitchfork, something like this. One moment, because I want to also maybe use let's see if we maybe can discover some confluence areas using multiple pitchforks. Now here we don't have something really good, but as I've told you earlier, you can use these tools, Fibonacci with pitchfork, trying to identify confluence areas. And I've told you, a breakout through a confluence area will signal a strong growth in that direction, and the false breakout will signal that maybe the price will move in the opposite direction, right? One moment, because I want to draw here a descending pitchfork as well. So here maybe we have something like a confluence area, 78.6, and the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork. Also, I will draw again this ascending pitchfork here, something like this. So intersection, yeah, here we had something, but the price didn't reach it, this confluence area. Also, the confluence area could attract the price. So you can use all these tools trying to identify maybe confluence areas, and you can use the confluence area in Forex trading. Maybe we had something here, but it's not a perfect one. Here between the lower medium line and the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, before the price jumped higher. Thanks for watching, guys, this video. Don't forget to access the link posted right below this video if you want to get more VIP content. Learn to trade Forex signals. Visit our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Please like this video. I'm waiting for your comments right below this video because if you want me maybe to record more trading tutorials, I'm waiting for suggestions. Learn to trade, our website. Please follow us on Instagram. Thank you, guys.